Welcome to Right Choose. Top 7 Best Integrated Stereo Amplifier. Top 1. Yamaha A-S801BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, Black. 100W plus 100W, 20 Hz 20 kHz, 0.019% THD, USB DAC function, DSD, 2.8 MHz/5.6 MHz, PCM, 384 kHz/32-bit, WAV/FLAC, gold-plated digital coax input toslink optical input. Frequency response 10 Hz 100 kHz plus/1.0 dB, gold-plated analog inputs including phono, speakers A, B, A+B and custom-made power transformer. Top 2. Marantz Model 40, an integrated stereo amplifier with HEOS built-in, black. Just add speakers, everything else for the most musical sound is built in. Built for streaming use with Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, AirPlay, Bluetooth and more, powered by HEOS. Soundmaster tune expertly crafted and tuned for the most musical sound. Musical power 70 watts per channel to drive your favorite speakers. Voice control works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri. A full complement of analog and digital inputs plus built-in streaming and HDMI make listening enjoyable and easy regardless of source. Stream from Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, and more or enjoy your own music file libraries. Works with Alexa, Google, and Siri. Top 3. Arcam A25 Plus Integrated Amplifier. Class G amplifier with 2x100W x 80 and 165W x 404 high efficiency and powerful performance. Bluetooth 5.4 with Snapdragon sound and Auracast enables high-resolution wireless streaming and wireless headphone compatibility. Comprehensive inputs including 3 analog RCA pairs, tuned moving magnet phono, USB-C, up to 384 kHz/32-bit, 2 coaxial and 2 optical digital inputs and HDMI ARC. Enhanced power supply and ESS/ES9018 DAC provide low noise. Top 4. Yamaha Audio A-S3200SL Integrated Amplifier, Silver. Fully balanced circuitry to deliver impressively low signal-to-noise ratio and improved channel separation. Large toroidal transformer in the pursuit of pure musicality. Mechanical ground concept maximizes rigidity and reduces unwanted vibration. High-quality PPS capacitors for delivering an authentically musical sound. Exquisite level meters visually present the dynamics and pulse of the music. Included components: remote controller. In the unyielding pursuit of innovation and musicality, Yamaha is proud to present its flagship integrated amplifier. Top 5. Marantz Model 50 Pure Analog, 70W X2, Stereo Integrated Amplifier, Silver Gold. High power Class AB amplifier realizes your speaker's full potential. Fully discrete HDAM technology maximizes clarity, warmth and three-dimensionality. Built-in Marantz Musical Phono EQ is compatible with turntables without extra equipment. Connect up to 6 sources, 2 speaker pairs, external amplifiers and even a home theater receiver. Uniquely Marantz tonal warmth, exquisite detail and room-filling spaciousness. Top 6. Yamaha A-S701SL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, Silver. 100W plus 100W, 20 Hz-20 kHz, 0.019% THD, gold-plated digital coax input Toslink optical input, gold-plated analog inputs including phono, speakers A, B, A plus B, auto standby, 8 hours.
Top 7.
Yamaha Audio AS2200BL Integrated Amplifier, Black. Fully balanced circuit design from input to speaker out, large toroidal transformer in the pursuit of pure musicality, gorgeous level meters convey dynamics and music pulse with a nod to the nostalgic hi-fi era. Thick wires for ground connection contribute to low impedance design for a wide and open sound stage. Mechanical ground concept maximizes rigidity for expressive and rhythmic bass. Included components: remote controller, a performance fit for the global stage and inheriting many features from its big brother. The AS2200 delivers an authentic, powerful yet somehow elegant and emotional hi-fi sound. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.